Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm just bringing you along as I show you how I'm going to cook chicken wings in my new air fryer. I've already cooked a batch. They were very good. My family said they could tell a difference. They wasn't all greasy and stuff. And I am really loving this air fryer. So my son got it for me. So I'm just bringing you along. It's just going to be basic chicken wings. But I got something funny to tell you. I usually buy my chicken wings like this. And I have cooked them just whole like this, and my son, he couldn't stand it that way. I really don't like it this way. So I'm going to cut the tip off and then separate the little drumette from the flat. But my son thinks that these are not real chicken wings. Because when he goes buys a pack, it's one of them big old 10-pound packs that's already cut. And I told him, I'm like, this is the same thing as what you get. These are just cheaper. He says, no, that's the arm. And I'm like, Alex, what do you think the wing is on a chicken? And I know he's messing with me, he likes to kind of push my buttons sometimes, just in a fun way. Because he is the only one that can really make me smile or laugh. But he will sit and argue with me over that. So while he's not here, I'm going to cut them up, and then I'll bring you back when I go to season them. And one reason that usually I just cook it like this before separating it and stuff, because it grosses me out. I can't stand handling raw meat a lot. And usually if I have to, I won't eat it. But, ugh. So just be careful. I cut the tip off. And this is so gross. And pop it out like that. And just take my knife through it and it cuts it. Ugh. Okay, my hands, I've got these washed them real good. I patted them dry with some paper toweling, but my gloves and all are still dirty, and I need to mix this once I get the seasoning on there. So I've got Ricky. I'm going to let him add a little bit of stuff to it. If you'll get the pepper, sprinkle some of that on there, please. This is just regular pepper. We got that when we were in Ella J at that Mercier Orchard, I think it was. That's a little bit spicy, and I can handle that. Just sprinkle some of that on there. I'll tell you when, so just sprinkle. Alright, that's good. Now this is the adobo seasoning that we love. It's got garlic and all in it. Okay, that's good. And the ranch seasoning, sprinkle some of that on there. Anyway, we're adding a little bit of ranch seasoning to it too. Okay, that's good. Notice I didn't add any salt. Now, you can season your chicken ever how you like it. Remember, I'm just bringing you along. And now I'm just going to put them in a zip top bag and just keep them in the refrigerator till I get ready to cook them. Alright, now it's time for me to put my chicken wings on. I'm not going to overfill my basket. And if I need to do 2 batches, what I did the other night, I just turned my oven on warm and just put them in there and let them keep warm till my other ones got done. Now the book that came with my air fryer, it said to put it on about between the 3 and the 4 for about 15 minutes, and then after that turn it up to 4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my basket in, put it between the 3 and the 4, which on mine it says 320, 400, so in between, for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to flip them, turn it up to a 4, put it on for about 15 or 20 minutes, but I am going to keep flipping them until they get done, and then once they get done, I'll bring you back. Alright, my chicken wings are done. Alright, just in the same pan, just because I don't want to dirty up another pan.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I know what
I'm going to pour half of the hot sauce. This is just a little bit of butter with the hot wing sauce that my son and Ricky like.
Where? Okay.
And just kind of give that a toss. Oops. And then for me, the barbecue sauce. On this side, coat them and toss them. And then I'm going to let them cool for a bit, because right now they're too hot to eat. And I'll bring you back when we go to try them. Alright, now it's time to try it.
Which all through the game I
Have some on my plate.
This
is the barbecue one, and this is our New Year's Eve type meal. We just do finger foods and stuff.
That is, though.
So, now let me try it. I know it's going to be good.
With what? I just don't know.
So good. And cooked so perfect. Loving, loving, loving the air fryer. So even though this is after New Year's Eve,
I'm coming clean.
or New Year's, I want to wish everyone a very happy New Year's. And until my next video, I hope y'all enjoy. Thanks for coming along with me as I
Yes, it was.
am learning to use my air fryer. I'm loving it. I love it. Bye, y'all.